Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock trade price LS car meet. To get those sweet discounts, you need to build up your reputation within the LS car meet. This involves actively participating in races and spending time at the location. The more you engage, the faster you'll climb the ranks and unlock better deals on vehicles and modifications. It's all about showing your dedication to the car scene. Earning reputation is straightforward. Jump into street races or pursuit races, as these are excellent ways to gain points quickly. Even just hanging out inside the car meet area will slowly increase your reputation over time. Don't forget that customizing your rides at the mod shop also adds to your progress, so personalize your vehicles often. As your reputation grows, you'll hit various levels that unlock trade prices. The higher your level, the more substantial the discounts become on a wide range of vehicles. Beyond just price breaks, you'll also gain access to unique clothing, special vehicle liveries, and other exclusive customization options to truly make your rides stand out. To speed up your progress, make sure to claim your daily login bonuses at the car meet, as these provide a nice reputation boost. Also, keep an eye out for and complete the daily challenges available. They offer significant extra points. Remember to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals to keep you comfortable while you grind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.